Control room Alpha. Do you copy? Control room Alpha. First of all, congratulations on your new position in the EKRE Foundation. My name is Konstantin, and I will be your supervisor for this shift. Let's start by opening up the nest covering, and then you can get down to business. Your controls are hot, operator. Standing by. Well done. This is not your fault. The crane seems to be broken. I'm afraid Mission Control will not be happy about this. So, just go down there and put the sample into the case yourself. Don't worry about the thing, comrade. Most of the creatures that came out of that nest are harmless. Put the sample. Standing by. Good job, comrade. We might not have gotten all the samples,